Hello everyone and welcome to this brand new 3D tutor course. I'm Neil and this course, Blender 2.8, Model, Texture, Animate and Simulate, is my most exciting course to date. In this introduction, I'm going to give you a very short breakdown of what the course covers and more importantly, what you're actually going to learn. In this course, we'll be creating a catapult from start to finish. Every bolt to every large wooden beam in a step-by-step thorough guide, with nothing being missed out. You will learn all the tips and tricks that Blender 2.8 has to offer. The course will teach you a professional approach to modeling, and you'll soon find yourself creating a model that you'd find in any game studio. You'll walk away with a comprehensive view of how to model from the ground up, with an extremely fast and efficient workflow. In this course we'll be covering everything from the very basics of modeling to some pretty advanced techniques. You know, there's no point in creating a great looking model and overlooking the most important part. This course will show you the cleanest and fastest ways to prepare any mesh for adding materials. In the course we're going to marking seams, correcting texture resolutions, and of course UV unwrapping. The course will show you the right and wrong way of how to do this and how to properly prepare and clean a mesh to an industry standard. The course also comes with a library of free resources. The textures are of a very high quality that you've come to expect from a 3D tutor course. These textures were created in Substance Designer specifically for this course. And this will help us take our catapult from looking good to looking like a pro made it. And just when you thought the fun would stop there, we move on to creating a complete armature from scratch. In this course you're going to learn how and where to place bones to make animating anything a breeze. Not only that, the techniques that you'll learn on this course will give you the skills to export your animations into games engines like Unreal Engine 4 or Unity. We will look at and break down the most important parts of armature creation and how to organize everything so it's simple and easy to use. We go through the pitfalls and the highs to make sure that your animations are smooth and easy to create. In this course, we'll also be creating a complete animation cycle. We'll be taking a deep dive into what makes an animation believable and actually look realistic. This part of the course is like a course within a course. And if you've ever wanted to bring your creations to life, then look no further. The course will teach you all about keyframing, as well as some advanced animation techniques, such as creating the rope where the textures actually change as the animation rolls. You know, I really wanted to create a complete course, something that takes you to the next level. So in this course, you'll also learn all about how to create a simulation of fire and smoke from the ground up. This course will take you through every step, and together we'll recreate a simulation of a realistic firing catapult that looks like it's straight out of medieval times. We'll also learn how to create fire and smoke materials using the Blender 2.8 node system. We'll be combining animation and simulation to create a model that you can be proud of. Finally, after all that hard work, the course also comes with a complete guide of how to put our animation to film. Included in the resource pack are 3 HDRIs of high quality to make sure your lighting is of the highest standard. And we'll be going through some techniques to improve our composites and renders. We'll be taking a short look at the powerful Blender video editor. If you've ever wanted to create a professional model from start to finish, then this is the course for you. And on top of all that, as a bonus, this unique course also comes with 5 downloadable Blender builds, going from the completed model with no textures all the way up to a fully completed build with fire and smoke simulation. So you're free to start wherever you like. Feel like building just the armature? Just download the build that most interests you. And for sure, if you like the look of this course but you're still unsure, then check out my other courses. Over 30 hours of content, taking you from beginner to looking like you've been doing it for years in just a few short hours. I thank you all for watching. This is Neil at 3D Tutor. Happy modelling everyone.